Thames Water is diverting 5 rising mains sewage pipelines to accommodate 3 new buildings being constructed on the Oxford Science Park, officially named the Daubeny Project. Viking Johnson has supplied UltraGrip amplified DN800 couplings and flange adapters to Morrison's Water Services, the main contractor on site for the 2 675mm rising mains that are being diverted. These rising mains service Oxford Sewage Treatment Works, which is the largest treatment works in the Thames Valley area, and must cope with a maximum flow rate of 1,200 litres per second. The pipeline is consistently under thrust, and UltraGrip is an ideal fitting in this scenario, offering a mechanical jointing system designed to be able to withstand pressures of up to 16 bar. Let's hear from Jason Major, Senior Construction Engineer for Thames Water, who explains why mechanical couplings were selected for this project.
We are installing 2 UltraGrips each side of where the repairs are going to be. In some areas we're also installing stub flanges and flange adapters, which are also the Viking Johnson UltraGrip adapters. This is a rising main, so it's designed to pump, stop, so it's consistently under thrust. So the whole point of the UltraGrip, they're anchored couplers that will anchor anything up to 16 bar. And this is never going to run at 16 bar, it runs about 4 to 5 bar. But we've gone over and above that, and that's what our couplers do, so they will last.
Now let's hear from Dobry Oreshkov, Site Manager for Morrison's Water Services, on his experience with installation.
We want to use the UltraGrip from Viking Johnson's because they're high restraint fittings and they've been rated to the high bar pressure. They're also suitable for the job we're doing because they give us this extra flexibility when we're working with a tight space.
The good thing about these couplers, they've got a re-rounder liner that goes inside. You insert that first of all, you put shims in, and that rounds the pipe in order to get the coupler on, so everything is then evenly tightened up and torqued up.
For a quality perspective, it's very important the fitting to be fitted correctly, because if it's not fit correctly, the liner is going to be out of shape, and we don't want that to happen. It's very important the bolts to be towed into the correct setting, so that assures us as customer, ensure our customer, which is a Thames Water, that every fitting is fed as per manufacturer instructions.
So at the end of the day, the product's got to do what it says on the tin. Sometimes some products don't. So with Viking Johnson, they do go that extra mile with us, and they will come out and talk to us and listen to our issues we may have. Fills me with confidence anyway.